How to make a man fall for you online. It's hard enough to get a man's attention in person, but when you're meeting someone online it can be even harder. How do you stand out from the crowd? When you're interested in a guy, what do you say to get him to start chatting? Dating coach Amy North shares her tips on how to make a man fall for you when you're online dating. 1. Be positive. Nothing draws men in more than a woman's natural positivity and happiness. So, if you're the kind of woman that reflects on the negative or complains a lot, then it's not going to intrigue them. In fact, it will probably send him running. Since men want to be around women who make them feel good, showing him your organic positivity will pull him in like a kitten on a string. To do so, be sure to keep your conversations light and bubbly, and do your best to avoid any pessimistic talk. 2. Ask him questions. You know frustrating it can be when you're stuck in a one-way conversation, unable to get a word in? Well, that bothers men too. To make a man fall for you online, it's important that you show interest in him. When you do, it'll intrigue him and he'll want to keep chatting with you. Don't get me wrong here, this doesn't mean that you should smother him with attention or interrogate him with personal questions. But rather open up the conversation and give him the floor speak. To do so, ask him questions that'll get him invested in the conversation. A simple, "How was your day?" or "What are you doing this weekend?" will only get you so far. 3. Leave him wanting more. My third and final tip for making a man full of you online is to leave him wanting more. Since men are hunters at heart, they appreciate the challenge of trying to win you over. In other words, they want to have to work for you. Since connecting with someone online is vastly different from in person, the best way to leave them wanting more is to limit information you give him, and the affection and attention you show him. This means that instead of spilling your guts out to him or telling him how wonderful you think he is, take it slow and make him come back for more. If you want to know more, then click on the link in the description below, or visit europedatingonline.com. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the new dating wins? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more dating wins.